Hey guys, what's going on? It's Jeff Carpenter with Ready Light Media, and I'm here in the studio with Ali Sutton back there, and we are kind of playing with primary colors in the RGB color space. So I've got a red light, or a light with a red gel, light with a green gel, and a light with a blue gel. So what that's going to do is, if you mix them all together at the same power, you're going to get white light. So red, green, and blue combined creates white. That's what we all see in like the sun. That's basically rays of red, green, and blue. We just see it as white. So what I'm doing is I'm kind of playing with that theory, and they're all at different powers, so they're actually not going to be creating white light. What it's actually doing is it's kind of creating this rainbow effect, kind of iridescent skin tone as well as onto the background. So I've got a V-flat world, V-flat kind of as a tabletop fill here, and then also on the background, and that's creating kind of a light and a dark blue background with the combination of all these. So I've got my blue light kind of feathered above, kind of skirting along the edge of this V-flat here. I've got my green light angled down, so that's actually bouncing off of this, this white reflector, and that's got a 20-degree grid on it just so it doesn't have a ton of spread. And then I've got my red light kind of feathered towards the background directly behind Ali here. So we're going to go ahead and shoot a little, and I'm going to show you what the final image looks like. And basically what I can do is I can adjust my lights. Let's say in this case it's a little too much red, so I can take my red, which is on channel 1, and I can bring it down a little bit. And then when I take that shot, now we've got less red. Or for instance, if there's too much green, I can bring the green down, and so on and so forth. So you can kind of play with it. So basically with the combination of the red, green, and blue, in the shadow areas we're getting cyan, magenta, and yellow, which kind of creates this whole spectrum of a rainbow, which is really cool and fun to play with. So if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and leave those below, and make sure you subscribe and follow myself at Ready Light Media and Ali Sutton, and I'll see you next time.